Good morning, 9 a.m. Wednesday, April 9th. If you're in the market, you know what's going on, so haven't really made any trades this week. I do finally have some things on watch. I got AREB on watch for a first green day reversal. I have ICCT on watch for this same play. I don't know what's wrong with E-Trade's charts. Terrible. But as you can see, we're looking here for a first green day reversal. ICCT also on watch for the same play. Already spiking green, about 13% right now. So we are just going to watch. JNVR also on watch for a reversal. Fits the criteria. So if it sets up this morning, we will take it. I have issues with my chart, I guess. I have another one on watch also for a reversal, which is MKDW. A lower price ticker here, but it is also on watch for that reversal. Fits the criteria. If it sets up, I will take it. And of course, we are just monitoring the overall situation. Would like to, just kind of see what's going on. So we're just going to be watching the SPY. But we do have those 4 tickers on watch this morning. So we will see what we get. We'll record some live trading if we do end up taking any setups. Stay safe. Peace.